Garlic milk is a mixture of garlic and milk. Garlic and milk, both are beneficial for our bodies for many reasons. When these two are mixed, we get a drink that is more beneficial for our health. Garlic milk keeps our bodies safe from many problems. It also works for curing a wide range of diseases and physical conditions. Let's see some effects of drinking garlic milk every day. Migraine. Did you know that garlic contains anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties? As a result, it works as a reliever for migraine pain. So next time you have a migraine, try some garlic milk. Digestion. Garlic is very beneficial for digestion as it stimulates digestion juices. Garlic milk destroys harmful parasites and works for the production of good bacteria. Jaundice. Garlic helps the liver by stimulating it and removing unwanted toxins from the body. Garlic is also very good for people that have a fatty liver. Cholesterol. Drinking garlic milk on a regular basis will help lower the bad cholesterol, also making the good cholesterol go up. Garlic milk also helps to unclog your blood vessels, keeping your heart healthy. Skin. Garlic milk contains a high amount of antiviral, antibacterial, and antibiotic properties. Garlic milk helps relax inflamed skin, and also helps in reducing breakouts on your skin. If you have pimples, they will disappear if garlic milk is consumed daily. Colds. If you get a cold on a regular basis, this means that you have a weak immune system. Garlic milk is very good for boosting your immune system. Drinking it regularly will keep you protected. Arthritis. If you have arthritis, drinking garlic milk regularly will help get rid of the pain in your joints. It also reduces the chance of being attacked by arthritis if you are not affected already. Lots of different ways you can make garlic milk, you can Google them. Thank you.